Hello, and we are back with another unboxing. And I will reiterate that I did tell myself that I was going to stop buying orchids around June because I felt like my collection was complete, but I'm just gonna throw that out the window because I am not going to stop buying orchids. So today's orchid is from LAOrchidJohn on eBay. I'll put the information either in the title or in the description. And this is a mini Vandaceous from a genus that I've never heard of before. But I think that this plant is related to Stereochilus. Stereochilus fragrans is the typical species that people have from that genus. But it is a miniature Vandaceous type, and the flowers are supposed to be fragrant. Okay, and here it is. It's a little baby. There you go. I hope you can see that better. Let's take it out of the pot so you can kind of see the roots. And then I'll get to the name tag. So here is the orchid that I got. It's Stereochilus dalatensis. So like I said, this is a miniature Vandaceous. And I'll post some pictures either right here or at the end. And it looks a lot like the Stereochilus fragrans. But obviously it's from a different genus and it's obviously not the same species. So this is about the size of my Angraecum dollii, and I'm probably going to keep it the same way. Actually, the same way that I keep all of my orchids is watering once a week. And hopefully it'll do well with that. So thank you for watching, and if you have any comments, care tips, video requests, for example, if you would like me to make a video about my Hoyas or something like that, leave it in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.